नेचर है.
The natural nature of Brahmin life is
गुण स्वरूप सर्व शक्ति स्वरूप.
becoming the embodiment of all virtues, all powers.
और जो भी पुरानी नेचर्स है वो ब्रह्मण जीवन की नेचर्स नहीं.
All the old natures are not of the Brahmin nature.
कहती है ऐसे हो, मेरी नेचर ऐसी है.
You do say that this is my nature,
लेकिन कौन बोलता है मेरी नेचर?
but who is saying that this is my nature? Is it a Brahmin?
वाक्यत्री
Or is it a Kshatriya, the warrior?
पास्ट जन्म के स्मृति स्वरूप आत्मा बोलती.
Or is it the soul who is an embodiment of the awareness of his past birth?
ब्रह्मांडों की नेचर जो ब्रह्मा बाप की नेचर
The nature of Brahmins is
वो ब्रह्मांडों की नेचर.
is like the nature of Brahma.
तो सोचो
Father, therefore think,
जिस समय कहते हो
when you say,
मेरी नेचर मेरा स्वभाव ऐसा है,
this is my nature,
क्या ब्रह्मांड जीवन में ऐसा शब्द मेरी नेचर मेरा स्वभाव है
now can you say these words in your Brahmin life? Is it possible?
अगर अब तक मिटा रहे हो
If you are still trying to erase
और पास्ट की नेचर ये मर्ज हो जाती है
your past nature and that
तो
nature
समझना चाहिए
still erupts,
इस समय
then you should think that
ब्राह्मण नहीं हूँ,
at that time you are
क्षत्रिय हूँ,
not a Brahmin but you are a Kshatriya,
कर रहा हूँ.
a warrior who is battling, trying hard to erase, to wipe away the past nature.
तो क्या कब ब्राह्मण कभी क्षत्रिय बन जाते हो?
So what do you become? Brahmins sometimes become Kshatriyas.
कहते क्या हो? क्षत्रिय कुमार या ब्रह्मा कुमार?
What are you called? Are you called Brahma Kumar or are you called Kshatri Kumar?
क्षत्रिय कुमार हो गया.
Are you Kshatri Kumar?
ब्रह्मा कुमार ब्रह्मा कुमारी.
You are Brahma Kumars and Brahma Kumaris.
दूसरा नाम तो है ही नहीं.
You don't have another name, do you?
कोई को बुलाते हो एक क्षत्रिय कुमार हो.
Do you call anyone by the name, oh Kshatri Kumar, come?
या अपने को कहते हो मैं ब्रह्मा कुमार नहीं हूँ,
Or do you say that
क्षत्रिय कुमार हूँ.
I am not a Brahma Kumar but I am a Kshatri Kumar? Do you say that for yourself?
ब्राह्मण अर्थात जो ब्रह्मा बाप की नेचर
Therefore, a Brahmin means the one
ये शब्द अभी कभी नहीं बोलना,
whose nature is like
गलती से भी नहीं बोलना,
that of Brahma Father.
न सोचना
So never say these words.
करूँ मेरी नेचर है,
Never say even by mistake.
बहानेबाजी है,
What can I do? That's my nature. This is only an excuse. Even to say this
को चुराने
is an excuse. It's like trying to save yourself by giving this excuse.
नया जन्म हुआ, नए जन्म में पुरानी नेचर, पुराना स्वभाव
As you have taken a new birth,
से इमर्ज होता है,
how can old sanskaras, old nature emerge?
पूरे मरे नहीं है,
From where do they emerge?
जिंदा है थोड़ा मरे,
If they do emerge, that means you haven't died completely from your past birth. Can it be said that you are half dead and half still alive in your past birth? Brahmin life means
जो ब्रह्मा बाप का हर कदम है वो ब्राह्मणों का कदम,
that Brahmin life means that every step you Brahmins take is like the step of Brahma Father.